We are here this morning. What is going on?
All right, thanks so much for coming around. Just as you are witnessing yourselves, we're doing a demolition exercise on the Sakuma wetlands, legitimately, a wetland that has been gazetted by the laws of this country, just for the importance of the ecological importance of it to humanity on earth. And so we want to ensure that the sanctity and integrity of this important ecological landscape is protected. And so we want to ensure that anything that is artificial, that is springing on it, is pulled down so that we allow nature to take its.
My name is S.K. and I welcome you to S.K.M Media 7. You see the woman on your screen. Her name is Honorable Lena Akwele Uklu. She is the regional minister, Greater Accra regional minister. She is the Greater Accra regional minister. From Greater Accra here, down to Ada. And you see, that was last 2 months. Something happened in Greater Accra here at Sakumono Ramsar site, and a lot of people were bashing the minister. You see, this country, which is Ghana here, if you have the president of Dubai or these advanced countries, and we the people, the citizens, we don't change our mindset, there is no way we will grow. You understand? If we don't change our mindset, there is no way we will grow as a nation or a country. And the kind of lifestyle or character that we portray can never help us, grow as a country or a nation. Why am I saying this? You see, two months ago, when she was, preparing the place, we heard that this year there will be heavy rainfall. So what what she has done is all the people who bought land at a place where water need to pass, especially when you go to Sakumono Ramsar site, the people build at the place where the water is supposed to pass, and they went there. The right thing for her to do is to demolish all those buildings over there, so that when it rains, the water will be able to flow easily, so that we will not be affected. And as they did that, a lot of people were complaining. They were talking, some were even insulting her. They were saying that, hey, the president, Don Dramani Mahama, should, sack her. They should change her and all that. It is only in Ghana that when we do things opposite what the laws does, or when we do things opposite what the laws tells us to do, and when problem comes, then we start blaming president. Those that bought the land at the waterlog, is it the president who asked them to buy land? I'm not doing politics. I'm not doing politics. I don't like politics because of the insult. You understand? But let us, go to say the fact when the thing is true. Let us go according to what it is there. You understand? When you were buying the land, the president was not there. You bought the land. You know that where you are buying the land, when it rains, it will affect you because you have the money. You bought land over there, and now the problem has come. You are calling on president. You understand? So these are some of the things that we do as a country or a nation that will not help us to grow as a people. Because we, the people, like Adwino, you're ready to say Adwino. You're ready to say Adwino. When you are ready to, change your mindset, that is when you will grow. But we as a people, we are not ready to change. So anything that happens, then we make it politics. This government, and when the thing happened, a lot of people were saying that they will vote against NDC because NDC is in power and they have broken their house, they have demolished their houses. So 2028, they will vote against NDC. Look at all this. This is where, if it rains, this is where the water will pass. And you build over there. You see, this is how water works. This is how water works. When you pour water and there's a particular place for the water to pass and the water doesn't get a way or a particular spread, it will go to different places. Where the water is not allowed to go, the water will go because there's no way for the water to pass. And then when you go to, Wager, the place where water is supposed to pass. And this problem, some of the chiefs in Greater Accra are part of it. Some of the chiefs in Greater Accra are part of it. Place where water is supposed to pass, they have given those places to, those who carry refuse. Go and dump the rubbish over there. When they dump the rubbish and the place is full.
Oh, mercy.
Medawa ni mreana mekai say, hey, every be UK baby I mean yet. I also flooded say yeah. And I make us say, hey, wink here Ghana. And can you soon in a government, na buying away. But more way you kill, let on your horse. Like I did you why nature bats. Send the air near man, Ghana, near man is so calm.
Commission. We are here this morning. What is going on?
Right, thanks so much for coming around. Just as you are witnessing yourselves, we're doing a demolition exercise on the Sakuma wetlands, legitimately a wetland that has been gazetted by the laws of this country, just for the importance of the ecological importance of it to humanity on earth. And so we want to ensure that the sanctity and integrity of this important ecological landscape is protected. And so we want to ensure that anything that is artificial, that is springing on it, is pulled down so that we allow nature to take its course. Basically, that's why we are here.
But I think this is not the first time that buildings have been built. What are you going to do as a forestry commission to ensure that people do not even come here in the first place?
Well, that's an interesting question. And as human as we are, it's not the first time, just as you mentioned, that we have embarked on such an exercise. But then people are so recalcitrant. They would want to have their way. And we would also want to have our way, just as I said earlier, to ensure that we conserve this ecosystem. And so, yes, we have oftentimes done it. And the fact that we keep repeating it any time at all they come back means that we mean our plans. Our plans are fully in place to ensure that we drive every Tom, Dick, and Harry who is doing anything that is not in tandem with conservation.
Are you constrained in any way in terms of trying to counter these people when they arrive here or when they come here?
Well, as far as they remain human beings, sometimes when you come, people would want to show off why they should be allowed to build and live in. We are not saying, the Forestry Commission doesn't say don't build, but if you build on the wrong site, if you build on the wrong landscape, just as I mentioned, this is a legitimately gazetted landscape, okay, that we as a commission, are mandated to conserve. And so, yes, we are saying that if you want to build the Sakomono wetlands, and for that matter, any other wetlands in any part of this country, or a protected area for that matter, it's a no-go area. And so if you want a place to lay your head, please.
Oh Ghana, Musolea, Musi Shafa, me Kwasiebi, and a debola atum, Mohe, Kosho be them, Musolea. So, they say, Antimu delivery and answer Mohe then, and Kwasiadia Motizi had a way.